Hey guys, I'm Tasmai and you are watching Tasmai Madhavi YouTube channel. So we in the yesterday video we have seen about the tips of squares you don't know. In today's video we are going to see a tech which is based on Microsoft Forms. Then let's start today's topic. If you're going to see on the Play Store this app of forms, it will be not available. Okay, but if you're going to the browser, which browser you are using, and you will search here Microsoft Forms, it will come. For that you have to go here and do the desktop site, then which everybody is using, you can get. Then you have to click on this Microsoft Forms. Now you have to exit the desktop site and come on the mobile. Now see, you can see a new quiz. You have to click on this button. When you click, you will see this interface. Now you have to click on this which title you want. I have given Microsoft Forms. You can give any title. Now for if you are making for your students, it is for your video. Then you have to click on this text. You can see a T written. You have to click on that. Now what you have to do, you have to write your name. If you write in the answer, my name is Tasmai Madhavi, and every student will be writing his own name, then he can get 1 marks less from that if he write his own name and our name is another. Now what we have to do, we have to just required, and long answer is not, it is of only 2 words. Now new, we have to click here and choice, because it is we are going multiple questions. Now you can see here I have written which is the longest river in world. Then the options are Nile, Ganga, Yamuna, Gangotri. You know the answer, please comment. I will not telling you the answer. Okay, now I will do Nile correct answer. Okay, you also do which you think which is the right answer. Now see points, how many means marks. I am writing 1 question marks is 2. Okay. Then this is okay, required on, and multiple answers off. Now what we have to do, the only for 1 question I am showing you. See, if you go to the response, it will come 0 because you have not shared to anyone. Now what we have to do, you have to click on this share option. Now you will get a link over here. We have to copy, otherwise you will get a OR code. You have to scan and you will get, but I am showing you from the link also. You have to come back to the home and link that you have copied, you have to click on that, and you can see the whole, you can see your name, what is my name, Tasmai Madhavi. Now which is the longest river, Nile I have written. Now submit. Okay, now view result, you can also check for that. See, answer is Nile, it is right. Okay. So I hope you like this video. Like, share and subscribe. And I'm on Instagram. Go and follow me. Bye bye.